This is an emergency alert from the United States government. Take shelter now. The sun has been acting weird lately. The sun has been shooting random beams at the earth and these beams destroy anything it hits. We suspect this unnatural behavior to get worse. Tune into a radio station to hear more updates. The United States government has issued a shelter-in-place warning. The sun's behavior is now getting worse, and now the sun is on a collision course with Earth. We advise you not to panic. We estimate the sun to collide with Earth in around 2 days. The United States military is setting up checkpoints where trucks will take you to military shelters. The United States government has issued an evacuation immediate. Conditions are now getting worse and temperatures are rising. The estimated ground temperature would be 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Military buses equipped with supercoolers are driving around the United States. If one stops outside your house, please go onto the bus. It will take you to a military shelter. All schools and businesses will close at this time. The United States government has issued a hazardous materials warning. The estimated time between the collision with the Earth and the Sun is 2 hours. If a bus does not stop outside your house, please drive to the nearest airport. There will be supersonic airplanes that will take you out of the United States.